Waterfall? Nah. Don't look safe. That's my sticks again. I just thought I'd quickly run you through my merch here. What do you think of it? I have got a version 2, but that's for special occasions. Just come with me this way. Stop there a sec. If you look to your right here, you'll see a lovely natural spring water. You can maybe drink from that, but if I was you, it's always best to go to the top of the valley. You might see like a decayed squirrel or sheep. Ready? You might drink from there, then up there, all the bacteria, you can't drink that, it's bad for you. But yeah, come on, carry on. That way, go on. Waterfall? Fuck up! Nah, don't look safe. Bye. Hello. Oh, baby lamb.
Look at my fire.
You've been good there, my love. I think you'd be able to do it all on your own, my love. Me personally. Yeah. I reckon you would. You could do the shelter now. You could do a fire. You collect fucking loads of firewood. So I don't think your own company's cook.
It's weird not cooking.
You're a cook.
Yeah, I can. There you go.
Ooh. Fucking hell.
You want them there?
Thank you. Mush, we're going to bed now.
Huh?
I'm talking to the camera. Yeah, we're getting to kick now. Bright that is, hang on. Yeah, we're getting to kick now. Wish us luck though, because it's meant to be going, what? What did the bloke tell us earlier when he walked past?
60 mile an hour winds.
60 mile an hour winds. That's treacherous, that is, that's danger. So I've, what's going on here? Yeah, so I've pitched the top down to the best I can. Used heavy duty rocks where I can. So should be solid. You gotta do the tuck and roll, so you go round and you gotta be quick. Sort of swiftly, smoothly, correctly. Listen to the wind. Oh, another camera. It's windy out here, people. We'll turn this. There's the setup. It's raining a little bit. Like I say, I've hunkered it down. I've tied it with some bushes. Because there are no trees nearby. Stick here, a rock here, tie it down. A rock followed up by another rock. Solid. Another rock. So that's supporting it back, that's supporting it there because the wind's mainly going that way. Another rock. Another rock. Hang on. A stick, support, pulling that up so the window pulling in so much because the wind's just losing so much space. It's usually meant to be like up here. That's just going to be the peg. Solid though. That's been pulled out by the wind actually. Never mind that. I suppose they pulled the bush out the fucking ground. But if it does come out the ground I will be sure to let you know. Cold out there. It's lovely in here though. No night. Okay. Chair's trying to go. The stick ain't even all open. Mushy, obviously. The wind ripped the rocks out. This was pinned down 90 degrees, pitched angle. No, 90 degrees, that's a straight angle. Don't listen to me, mush. It's fucking rained. We're wet. I've lost my phone, I think. For the time being, I've lost my phone. Oh, the rock's gone. I was gonna say timber, but that's what fucking wood does. Would you believe it? Yeah, man. Think it's what? 6:30? Yeah, my time's all over the place. Just about know what day it is. It's Monday, eh? No, it's Sunday. Oh. Oh, happy Easter, everyone. Happy Easter, my love. Okay, I don't see a phone at the moment.
It's here.
Where?
Under me.
Oh, damn.
Sorry. At least it's not in the water or
you put it on charge for me?
And mine's pretty much dead. I don't understand why. Why is my chair all the way over there?
Oh, kind of pushed it.
That far?
But yeah, I'm strung out.
Yeah.
Obviously, people, yeah. We've run out of water. Where's the big bottle of water gone? We've been preserving it since last night. We drank our last bottle of Coke about 10 o'clock last night. I've come round. There's only a puddle. Put some in. Amazing. Crystal clear in here. Now I'm drinking like no tomorrow. Oh. Oh, he's happy. Where was the cloud for it to rain? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, the weatherman, am I? Fucking sheep. Bah! Obviously, saved a baby lamb yesterday, so I'm like part of the fucking RSPCA and all that now. Done now.
Just grab it, Eve. Just grab it. Turn around. You all good, yeah?
Ready?